Hi guys! In this video, we're going to learn how to use Flash Fill in Excel. This tool is available in versions 2013 and greater. Flash Fill automatically detects more difficult patterns than the regular autofill. We're going to try different functionalities so that you can learn how to apply them very well. You will notice that this is not dynamic. This means that if you apply it in a data set and then change something in it, Flash Fill will not see these changes automatically and correct them for you. So the solution in this case would be to reapply it or manually change each cell. For example, in this section, the company email has the first and last name of the employee separated by a period. Now, with the regular autofill, watch what happens. It copied the email above because it doesn't know that we have different names on the left column. The Flash Fill, it's on the Home tab. See the difference now. Notice that it caught the names and patterns of the emails. I personally call it the intelligent autofill. Also, the shortcut for this amazing helper is Control-E. With Flash Fill, you can finish completing a pattern or sequence of numbers and text, even if they're not in the same column. It is important to remember that you have to put the first value of the sequence, as seen here, but sometimes you have to enter two examples instead. Let's go ahead and remove the city from the list and capitalize the first letter. We'll continue with the postal code and notice how it separates the numbers correctly. To follow these steps in more detail, write the first record at the top, in this case the postal code, and press Ctrl-E. In here, we want the names to be written correctly, with the first and last name in capital letters. Notice that when the names were entered, some of them needed to be fixed. Imagine if you had a list like that with hundreds of names. To correct this, in the very easy steps, we're going to write the first record and then use the Flash Fill shortcut. As you can see, all the names are now well written. We only had to write the first one. So then we press Ctrl-E in the column that we want to see the results. In this case, we're going to easily separate the months from the days. And I just have to change the first row. Now in this set, we want to separate the products by size, but notice that the size is attached to the product number in the first column. Now, instead of entering these codes one by one or making all these changes manually throughout a file, notice how Flash Fill once again saves the day. We truly hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to show you more Excel tips. Thank you for watching and see you next time.